Roofing shingles Class 4 versus Class 3. Which one actually keeps your roof safer from hail damage, and why it matters more than you think? Alright, so here's the deal with roofing shingles and their classes. Class 4 shingles are supposed to be the most hail resistant, right? But it's not always that simple because these classes come from tests that drop weighted or frozen balls on the shingles to see how much damage they take. The problem is, those tests don't always match real-life conditions since they use brand new shingles on perfect roofs in controlled temperatures, something that almost never happens outside the lab. So, when you're picking between Class 3 and Class 4 shingles, think about your local weather and roof setup more than just the class rating. Also, consider the material type because some materials that fail these tests might actually hold up better over time. Another thing is installation. Even the best shingles won't do their job if they aren't nailed down right or if your roof deck is weak. Maintenance matters too. Regular checks for cracks or missing pieces can save you big headaches later. Last tip, always ask your contractor about the warranty and what kind of hail damage it covers before buying. One of the biggest mistakes people make with roofing shingles class ratings is assuming Class 4 automatically means bulletproof hail protection, which it doesn't. Fix this by learning exactly what those class numbers mean and looking at real customer feedback from your area. Another issue is ignoring the roof's condition when installing new shingles, which can lead to early damage no matter how tough the shingles are. To fix this, get a professional roof inspection before any work starts. The third common problem is skipping proper installation steps like underlayment or flashing, which can cause leaks even with high-class shingles. The best fix here is to hire experienced contractors who follow manufacturer instructions closely. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to get steady work and build your reputation without hunting down leads all day.